Imagine earning yield from US Treasuries, but on the blockchain. Imagine owning a piece of real estate, tokenized and traded globally in seconds. And now imagine doing all of that, without a bank. Welcome to the world of real-world asset cryptos, the biggest shift happening in finance that most investors still don't understand. In this video, we break it all down, and show you the top RWA coins to watch in 2025. Welcome to CryptoPulse, where deep dives meet real insights. We cut through the hype and bring you objective, research-backed analysis to help you navigate crypto like a pro. If you're new here, hit subscribe. And remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Real-world assets, often shortened to RWAs, are exactly what they sound like: physical or traditional financial assets that are tokenized and brought on-chain. This includes US Treasuries, corporate bonds, commodities, real estate, even private equity shares. Instead of needing brokers, custodians, or weeks of paperwork, RWA crypto protocols digitize these assets and turn them into tokens that can be traded, lent, or used in DeFi. It's like turning Wall Street's most reliable investments into programmable, borderless digital assets. The biggest RWA use cases right now? Tokenized treasuries, offering high-yield, low-risk assets to crypto users. Real estate tokens, fractional ownership of income-generating properties. On-chain credit markets, like Maple Finance, enabling lending backed by RWAs. And as regulation catches up, the line between TradFi and DeFi is starting to disappear. Let's talk about why this matters now. In 2023 and 2024, tokenized treasuries became one of the fastest-growing categories in crypto, even during a bear market. By 2025, BlackRock tokenized over $500 million in treasuries on Ethereum. JPMorgan executed tokenized bond settlements across multiple chains. Franklin Templeton and HSBC are actively building RWA platforms. Biggest reason? Yield. TradFi is offering 4 to 5% on government debt. DeFi yields dropped to below 2% during the bear. RWA protocols created a bridge, bringing real-world yield to DeFi rails. That's why investors are pouring billions into RWA projects like Ondo, Centrifuge, and Polymesh. Let's start with the king of tokenized treasuries, Ondo Finance, ticker symbol Ondo. Ondo is the most well-known RWA protocol in crypto right now, and for good reason. Here's what it does. Ondo takes traditional yield-bearing assets, like US Treasuries, and wraps them into on-chain tokens. These tokens are fully backed, regulated, and transparent. You get all the benefits of TradFi, with the flexibility of DeFi. Highlights partnership with BlackRock infrastructure. Offers OUSDE, a tokenized treasury product, over $250 million TVL and growing fast. Real, audited backing. No algorithmic nonsense. Narrative fit in 2025. As interest rates stay high and stable yields become attractive again, Ondo provides an easy gateway for DeFi users to access real returns safely. Bull run potential, strong institutional narrative. TradFi-aligned compliance, already listed on Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance. Price prediction for late 2025, $4.50 to $6, from around 95 cents, that's up to a 6 times move. Next up, Polymesh ticker Polyx, a regulated Layer 1 blockchain designed specifically for security tokens. Where Ondo focuses on treasuries, Polymesh is built for real estate, equity, and compliance-heavy assets. Why it stands out? It's a permissioned blockchain, meaning only regulated participants can use it. Designed to comply with KYC and AML regulations. Perfect for institutions launching security tokens, Polymesh was created by Polymath, a veteran in the tokenized securities space, and the chain is tailored for broker-dealers, banks, and asset managers. 2025. Outlook. With banks like Citi, HSBC, and Deutsche Bank exploring tokenized assets, platforms like Polymesh could become the default rails for the next generation of regulated financial assets. Price prediction for late 2025. $1.10 to $1.60. Currently priced at around 40 cents. Our third major RWA player is Centrifuge, ticker CFG. Unlike Ondo or Polymesh, Centrifuge focuses on bringing real-world businesses into DeFi. Here's how it works. Small to medium enterprises can use Centrifuge to tokenize invoices or revenue streams. These tokenized assets are then used as collateral for on-chain loans, all done through Tinlake, Centrifuge's DeFi lending platform. It's like DeFi meets business financing, with zero reliance on banks. Major milestones integrated with Aave and MakerDAO, pioneered RWA vaults inside DeFi protocols. Early backers include Coinbase Ventures and Placeholder. Narrative fit. In a world where SMEs can't access capital easily, Centrifuge offers a decentralized solution, unlocking billions in credit markets. Price prediction for late 2025, $1.50 to $2. Currently priced at around 40 cents, offering over 4 times potential. If you're looking for RWA DeFi credit markets, look no further than Maple Finance, ticker MPL. If you're looking for RWA DeFi credit markets, look no further than Maple Finance, ticker MPL. Maple is a decentralized lending protocol that connects institutional borrowers with on-chain liquidity, backed by real-world underwriting. So, how does it work? Well, institutions like market makers, hedge funds, or crypto companies borrow USDC. They're approved by whitelisted pool delegates. Lenders earn yield based on real-world credit performance. Now, why does this matter in 2025? Maple survived the bear market and refined its risk systems. RWA-backed lending is growing as stablecoin adoption spreads globally. Maple offers scalable infrastructure for compliant lending. And let's talk about the bull run upside. As TradFi borrowers seek yield-efficient borrowing tools, Maple could capture billions in loan volume. Price prediction for late 2025? Between $25 and $35. Currently it's priced around $10. Our final pick is Realty, a platform for tokenized real estate ownership. Think of it like fractional property investing, but on the blockchain. Each token represents a legal share of a real property, mostly in the United States. You earn rental income directly in stablecoins like USDC. Highlights: fully compliant with US property law, Reg D, Reg S, over 250 tokenized properties, and yields of 8 to 12% depending on the property. It's not listed on major centralized exchanges, but for long-term RWA believers, Realty is one of the most active tokenization ecosystems in the world. Here are 5 pro tips for investing in RWA tokens. Follow institutional narratives. If BlackRock, Citi, or JPMorgan are touching it, pay attention. Track regulation closely. RWAs are deeply tied to compliance. Watch the SEC and global trends. Watch for yield plus TVL combo. High yield plus growing total value locked equals a strong RWA project signal. Prioritize composability. Tokens that plug into DeFi like Aave, Maker, or Curve gain traction faster. Don't overexpose to illiquid plays. Some RWA tokens have slow on-off ramps or low exchange volume, so size your bets accordingly. Let's recap the top real-world asset crypto projects for 2025. Ondo Finance, Ondo. Tokenized Treasuries, Polymesh, Polyx. Compliance, First Blockchain for Securities, Centrifuge, CFG. SME Credit Markets On-Chain. Maple Finance, MPL. Institutional DeFi lending, and Realty tokenized real estate income. These aren't hype coins, they're where crypto meets real economics, and the smart money is watching closely. Thanks for watching this deep dive on real-world asset crypto projects. If you found value in this breakdown, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to CryptoPulse for weekly altcoin insights, and share this video with someone who still thinks crypto is just memes. This is CryptoPulse. Deep dives, real insights, always objective.